Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Etsy SEO tools for automated title and tag improvements, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching various Etsy SEO tools available for your needs. Evaluate their features, focusing on automated title and tag improvement capabilities. Visit the official websites of these tools to gather information on pricing and free trials. Select a few tools that seem promising and suit your budget. Create an Etsy account if you don't already have one to fully test these tools. Sign up for the chosen tools, ensuring you take advantage of any free trials offered. Familiarize yourself with each tool's user interface through tutorials or documentation. Apply the tools to your Etsy listings, starting with a few products to gauge their effectiveness. Analyze the suggested titles and tags to understand how they align with your brand and products. Check the keyword suggestions provided by the tools for relevance and search volume. Make adjustments to your product listings based on the tool recommendations. Monitor your shop's performance over time to see improvements in visibility and sales. Consider the feedback from your customers and any changes in engagement metrics. Continue to refine your strategy as trends change and new products are added. Stay updated with Etsy's algorithm changes and adjust your use of SEO tools accordingly. Regularly revisit the tools to ensure you're utilizing the latest features and updates. Document your findings and adjustments to track your progress effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.